My Miguron Akri. Look how cool this knife is. Polished blade, except for my fingerprint on it right there. Look how sharp it is. I put my own custom edge on it. I'm going to show you how sharp it is in just a second. Look, I can actually open it now with my one finger. That's pretty good. Look how sharp it is though. I put my own custom edge on it. That's with the tip of the blade. Look how awesome that is. This is a badass knife. The Miguron Akri. God, I got my fingerprints on it. Beautiful knife. Very, very sharp. Very good edge. Bye-bye.